In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video from CapCut to Instagram. By the end, you'll take a finished edit from CapCut and get it ready for a clean, square upload on Instagram, all without losing quality or getting awkward crops. First, open CapCut. Give the app a second to load your projects, then head into the edit you want to post. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you're working with the exact clip you plan to share. It helps to double-check that your edit is final, cuts, text, and music, so you don't have to come back later. Next, add your video. If you're in a new project, import the clip from your device's gallery. Once it's on the timeline, make sure the beginning and end are trimmed the way you want, and that any on-screen text sits comfortably within the safe area so it won't be cut off later. Now change the ratio to 1:1. In CapCut, look for the ratio or canvas option, and switch it to 1:1 for a perfect square. This format displays nicely on the Instagram feed. After you change the ratio, drag the video within the frame to recenter your subject and pinch to zoom if needed. This is the moment to ensure important details aren't near the edges. When you're happy with the framing, export the video. Tap Export or Save, then choose a resolution like 1080p with a standard frame rate for smooth playback. Higher bit rates usually look better on social media, so use CapCut's recommended settings if you're unsure. Let the export finish and confirm the file saved to your device's gallery. Now go to Instagram. Open the app and make sure you're on the account where you want to post. A stable connection helps the upload go quickly and prevents failed posts. Click Create. On the main screen, tap the plus button to start a new post. Then choose Post so you're working in a square feed format that matches the one-to-one aspect you set in CapCut. Finally, drag the video. Select the exported file from your gallery. On the preview screen, drag to reposition the frame if needed so your subject is centered and nothing important is cropped. Check that the video fills the square as expected. Once it looks right, you're ready to move forward as you normally would to publish. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, switch to a 1:1 ratio, export, head to Instagram, tap Create, and drag the video into place. Follow these steps and your CapCut edit will land on Instagram looking sharp, properly framed, and ready to share.